How to create a zip folder and send via email. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can zip a folder and send it via email. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you will need to find the files that you want to add in a folder. After you find them, right click on the desktop, then tap on this new option, and there you'll find folder. Create a folder, you can name it whatever you want, and then first simply add the files to your folder. After you do that, right click on the folder. After you right click on the folder, there you will find different options. You can simply head over to this compress to option, and there you'll find zip file. Tap on zip file, and then a zip file will be created. As you can see, the zip file for this folder has been created. And now what you can do is you can open up your email. Let's open up our email. And after opening up our email, what we can do is we can compose this email to whomever we want. So let's load. And all you have to do is drag this compressed file and drop it right here. Now it will just start getting uploaded. And you can type in the email to whom you want to send this. Just folder, I'll just name this and then send. And that's how you can send a zipped folder on your email. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.